Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Illuvium. As in my earlier videos, I've been showing you that Illuvium first broke out a very big and long-term down channel. This was a down channel that Illuvium broke out on this 7 days time frame chart, and after that it formed a smaller falling wedge pattern and broke it out as well. And then we had another very nice rally, by the way, from this low. If I place this measurement tool, then you can see that from this low to this high, it was more than 316%, very massive rally, but the price could not break out this long-term resistance of $160. That was previously breaking as a resistance here. And again, for a few weeks, it worked as a resistance here as well. And during this rally, we also broke out another falling wedge pattern, a smaller falling wedge pattern as well. And this time, the price has formed another quite long down channel. That is another bullish bias pattern, by the way. And now it is bounced from the support recently. At the same time, it is getting bounced from this long-term support zone. That starts from $38 and goes to $34.50. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for Illuvium that I shared on 17th of July 2024 with my members. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal, that move that Illuvium formed here on this 4-hour time frame chart with Bitcoin pair. And this was the complete trade signal, a buying zone and sell target zone and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price had nicely moved up from the buying zone and reached the sell target zone, even rallied slightly beyond the sell target zone. This was almost 15% pump on this 4-hour time frame chart. And by the way, I shared this signal on 17th of July. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me take you to the live chart of Illuvium, and this is the weekly time frame chart. First of all, let me show you the daily time frame, because this recent down channel is more visible on the daily time frame. And here you can see that for the past several days it is moving inside this channel since after 28th of Feb 2024. You can see that we had a bounce here, another bounce here, then we got rejection here, bounce, almost got another rejection here, bounce, rejection, bounce, and this time the price line is once again bounced from the support of the channel and still testing this long-term support zone as well. That starts from $38 and goes to $34.50. If you take a look at the 7-day time frame chart, then you can see that this support zone is very long-term, coming from the month of November 2022. Then when we had a bounce here, another bounce here, another bounce here, another bounce here, and this was a long spike inside this support line here. Then we had a nice bounce, and now the price line is likely to have another bounce from this support zone once again. And this time, if the price line hits the resistance of the channel, then it can hit the resistance somewhere here, approximately at $48. And if the price line breaks out the resistance of the channel, then slightly higher than the resistance of the channel, there will be another very long-term resistance of $55. If we switch to the 7 days time frame chart once again, then you can see that this $55 has been previously breaking as a support here, and resistance here, and support here, and therefore again it can break as a strong resistance for the price line. And the technical target of the breakout from this down channel will be here at the top of the channel, approximately at $160. That had been previously breaking as a resistance here for several weeks, and resistance here as well. And now if we take a look at the final and long-term target for the breakout from this big and long-term down channel, you can see that on this 7-day time frame chart we have broken out this down channel, and still the price did not hit the target for the breakout from this channel. That can be here at the top of the channel, approximately at $2,000. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis, and do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.